AppDB.Studio is an SQL code generator built for DevOps teams. It allows DBAs and developers to safely and easily build great SQL Server databases. The tool takes the form of an add-in for SQL Server Management Studio, where all the features are concentrated in a single docked form. AppDB.Studio structures and aligns the workflows of both DBAs and developers. The first 4 menus are for developers, and the next 3 are for DBAs. The usual workflow goes like this. First, DBAs open the Conventions menu and configure naming conventions and automated design patterns for the currently selected database. Then, developers use templates and refactorings to build and maintain databases according to the configured conventions. And finally, DBAs periodically do code reviews of developers' work using the Repair and Diagnostics tool. It's important to note that any modification done with AppDB.Studio to an existing database can be done without breaking application dependencies using automated object deprecation. Also, the SSDT refactor log file can be generated for any database refactoring done with AppDB.Studio. Please see the next videos in this YouTube tutorial series for a detailed description of each menu.